Hi, excuse me,
Yes?
where's the library?
The library? It's next to the registration office.
Sorry, I'm new. Where's the registration office?
No problem. See the big building over there?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the lecture theatre. Next to that, on the right, is the registration office. And next to that is the library.
I see. Thanks. Hello?
Hello?
Is this the library?
Yes, it is. Quiet, please.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to borrow some books. What do I need?
You need a library card. Here's the application form. You can take up to 6 books maximum today.
Okay, 6 books.
Yes. You have 2 weeks to read the books, then you bring them back.
And if I'm late?
Every day you are late, there is a fee of 50 pence.
Okay, 50p a day. Anything else?
Mobile phones must be switched off in the library. You can bring your laptop, but please use headphones to watch videos or listen to music.
Okay, great.
And you can't bring food or drink.
No food, no drink, and...
And please speak quietly. People are working here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're welcome.